how to recover my blocked TikTok account or TikTok blocked account. To recover my TikTok's blocked account, so I would just open my browser and I'll just go to TikTok recover blocked account. So I'll just go ahead and TikTok recover blocked account over there. So basically, after I've done that, I will be able to see various links from Instagram themselves, especially from their account safety or support page, which I can simply select. And from here, I should be able to go ahead and go to my account status and see if my account has been blocked for any of the reasons and any of other violations. If I go to this accounts tab, I should be able to see other options. Otherwise, whenever your TikTok account is blocked, you will get a pop-up within TikTok app itself. So you will get a pop-up within the TikTok application, which you'll be able to fill out a simple form and be able to regain access to your account after a couple of verifications. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.